This is St. Gerard's Get Together Part 2. This is all the St. Gerard friends. This is JJ, aka JJ the Jet Plane, Dead Blue Octopus, Alexis,
The what?
the Dead Blue Octopus.
What are you doing?
Alright, this is Dustin, aka he was also my old bodyguard. Yeah, anyways. This is Sean. He's the one that's throwing this little, whatever you want to call this. Thought you look different? yeah, whatever. Alright, that's a smart guy. You know, he's the all A's, president, whatever. This is Joe. This is the guy that said, it's because I'm black all the time. Alright, oh my god, there's the redhead. It's John. Yeah. John, say hi.
Hi.
Every time we come in the room, we laugh at him. So, this is just, Anthony, he's the one that left mad early. You know, he couldn't graduate with us, but...
live? You used to live? What happened to Jose Mazaga?
Yeah, Jose, wherever you are, may you rest in peace. Do your thing.
May you rest in peace.
Well, not may you rest in peace, like wherever you at. Sean's in trouble now. I'm gonna cut this video off. Say bye, everybody.
Ew.
Say bye. Say bye. JJ, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Alexis. Okay, say bye, Joe. Bye. Say bye, John.
Bye.
Say bye, Anthony.
I don't want
Say bye.
Bye. He said two.
Bitch ass.